Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike, a versatile and compact solution for your home workout needs. This bike supports up to 225 pounds and features a solid 10-frame foldable design, making it easy to store away when not in use, occupying just 18.1 by 18.1 inches of floor space. Designed with your comfort in mind, it boasts a large anatomically designed seat and multi-position padded handlebars to ensure a pleasant ride. The 2-inch by 1-inch LCD window provides clear visibility of your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, keeping you informed and motivated throughout your session. With 8 levels of resistance, you can easily adjust the intensity of your workout using the large manual dial conveniently located just below the console. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this exercise bike offers a customizable and efficient workout experience. So, get ready to pedal your way to fitness with the XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.